Hello students. Students, today also I with you, and students, today we are going to discuss class 10th politics, and it is the lesson 4. The name of lesson is the gender, religion and caste, and it is the fourth and last video of this lesson. So students, under this lesson we will discuss these points. First point, we will try to understand caste inequalities. Second, we will try to know caste in politics, and third, politics in caste, and last point which we are going to understand and discuss today, that is the social and religious diversity in India. So students, first we try to understand caste inequalities. So students, in our India, in religion and in caste, you can find out different type of inequality. Equality, already you know, caste and other caste has been present. Religion and other religion has present. But in our many societies, you can find out different type of inequalities in the same caste also. One group and other group both belong to the one caste. You can find out many places, in many continue generation to generation, the same work is running on continue. What is this? It is why. So students, it is the matter of this. Some types of inequality which has been present in under the caste also. You can find out, you can watch in many places, you can observe. So students, this is the matter of that. Why such as equality and inequality has been present? Equality has been given to a constitutional a very best system, but inequality which was continued, which you can find also nowadays, it is the has been present your politician base, which they are doing, which they are increasing in the society. They try to take benefit also. Politics may decide your country maximum or all decision. So students, this is the matter of caste inequality. You can find out different type of. So students, other topic, it's a very interesting and important topic. That is a caste in politics. So students, it's a two topic, both are belong, caste in politics and politics in caste. First we will try to understand caste in politics. So students, this already I have to discuss in some video, caste in politics. That means both are correlated. Both are correlated. Caste, just we are discussing, if any party deciding the candidate, they try to understand which caste majority has been present to that place. They try to find out same caste related candidate should be to that place. Caste in politics. Politics is deciding everything, but caste is deciding to the politics. So students, without caste combination, politics cannot establish nowadays in our India many places. So students, it is the base caste which decide candidate, which decide a continue or disc. So students, this is the matter of how can you understand caste has been present in the Indian politics. It is the, you can find out every political party, a general election, it may be MP or it may be MLA, they try to choose which caste majority has been present to which place. Other party also try to do, and they try to decide same caste related candidates, because they understand which caste is going to support. Which caste will support to which caste candidate. This is the matter of caste in politics. So now we will try to understand politics in caste. That means this is improving system is continue. It is why because politics has been included to their continue. Politics try, it should be sure caste to be present, casteism to be present, religions, different religion, different caste, different society and group, sure should be present, it to be supportive of the politics, because they will try to decide candidate related caste, related religion. They will say in the campaign, I will with you, I support always you. You means you caste, not I am saying you. You means any caste, any religion you can understand. It's maybe a campaign of the politician. So students, in here we can say how politics has been present in the caste. Last topic, caste in politics. But now politics in caste. That means caste supporting, caste including in politics, because candidate has been decided. After deciding, after taking the decision, candidate has been winner candidate will try to take decision in favor of related caste. Maximum they will try to take decision in favor of concerning caste, because they know future of themselves. They understand what to be next after so many time when other election to come. This caste sure will support to him. So you can find out in many places caste, some special class continue doing a special as a profession and supporting continue to special party also. It is the matter of caste in politics. So politicians understand, if this caste grouping, religion grouping to be present in this place in our constituency, it's to be good for our future, for politician future, for politics. So students, this is the matter of caste in politics and politics in caste. So other and last topic which we are going to discuss, students, that is social and religious diversity in India. Diversity, this topic say that many type of differences which we are telling to you, social and religious. It's you can find out continue. People are doing their self work, a group are doing their self work, but you can find out many type of diversity. That diversity, it may be language, it may be culture, it should be in many type of activities. It's the position of our country. But dear students, we should understand the unity of diversity also to our country. Unity of diversity is the backbone of our country, which has been given our constitutional base. Our constitution has been given equality before law. That means all person has been equal. This point which we are discussing, it was present in previous time, in historical time. So constitution tried to take related regarding decision which types of action should be taken under the act, under the law, which should be supportive in our country or our pupils of the country. So nowadays this point you can discussing, this has been present. So students, it was the fourth part of this lesson, and students, It is the last part of also this lesson, and next topic, next lesson we will discuss in other video students. So thank you very much students to all of you.